Hello, welcome to Bread of Life and Bright Bites. We are doing no-bake candied oatmeal cookies today. Those are some of my kids' favorites. And so we are going to start with 1 stick of butter. I'm going to put it in this pan to melt it, along with 2 cups of sugar. Get our oven going here. That started a little bit melting. This is a quick grab and go snack for the kids and for the adults alike. You're gonna need peanut butter, cocoa, oatmeal, sugar, and butter for this recipe. And it would be the quick cooking kind of oatmeal. So we've got this butter starting to melt. We're gonna take our 2 cups of sugar and pour it in. Then we are going to do a 1/2 cup of milk. Get that all bubbling here. On my gas stove, it melts down really pretty quickly, and you'll want to bring it to a boil once all of the butter is melted, and then you are going to turn off the heat and add your peanut butter, cocoa, and oatmeal. So we'll just take a couple of seconds here to get this butter completely melted down. Just pushing it along the sides to help it a little bit. Then in the meantime, you can prepare a 15 by 10 by 2 jelly roll pan with wax paper or parchment paper, and that is where we're going to put these drop cookies. And then I stick mine in the freezer, but you can also stick them in the refrigerator as well. I just like to call them out as a frozen treat. So now our butter is all melted in here. And so next we are going to get in this beautiful natural, all natural, no sugar added peanut butter. With my handy measuring cup that pushes it out real nice. Pampered Chef. I'm sure many other places make these now. This I have had for years and years. Then we're going to do 1/4 cup of cocoa. We'll get that all stirred in before our last ingredient. We will do about 3, maybe 3.5 cups of oatmeal. So we'll see what this looks like once we get it all done. I start with putting in 3, see what the thickness looks like, and if I feel like it needs to be a little thicker, then I put another 1/2 cup of oatmeal in there. So just incorporating all of this nicely together. The cocoa all melted in there nicely with that warm butter. And then we're ready for our oatmeal. cups of oatmeal. Let's see how that looks. I'll show you here what we're looking at. All incorporated in there, still maybe a little bit thin, so I'm gonna do another half. And then we are just going to spoon it onto our pan and take it straight to the freezer. So again, there's a look at the thickness of it. Fairly stiff. And I'm just going to do little spoon size drops. On our pan and off into the freezer for another great dessert. Blessings. Like and subscribe to our channel.